here's the grocery list, dear. And Samuel, do be careful crossing the street.
Yes, Margaret, dear. Bread, butter, salt, egg.
Plasma.
Plasma.
Dog plasma.
Dog plasma.
Meat, potatoes, apples. Oranges, tomatoes. I would like a nice, juicy T-bone steak, please.
Here, I'll pay for that. See you later, Dad.
Bring me the meat, dear. Why, Sam! Oh, that's Samuel. Always clowning. Coming.
What you say, Maggie? You're a good kid. Hi, Fifi. How's my little French poodle?
Sam, it's Rover. He's talking.
You've been working too hard, Margaret. Rest a bit, dear. I'll be right back.
Milkman.
Coming.
Pardon me, Mrs. Smith, but would you mind calling off your dog?
Sam!
Sam!
Now, please, Samuel, stop this foolishness. Sam, get in here. Why, the neighbors will think you're a dog. Oh, Rover, always hungry. Now, boy. There.
Maggie, I can't eat this slop. How about some ham and eggs?
Sam! Rover won't eat his dog food. Sam! Now relax, dear. Go get the paper. Rover!
Sam, you bit me.
Now stop that barking. Oh, I'll get you some aspirin, dear.
Crazy, mixed up kid. Thinks I act like a dog. Preposterous.
Hey, watch it. Hey, don't forget my ham and eggs, kid.
Get out of here!
Poor little kitty. You're a good kid. Ozma.
Dog master.
Fifi! Fifi, will you cook me some ham and eggs?
Yes.
You're a good kid.